Yo, back like I never left. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy, and today we have the Divoom Sling Bag. Now, they sent this to me and they were like, do you want to review this? And I looked through the pictures, I was like, heck yeah, you don't want to review that. So we're going to bust this thing out. We're going to see what it can do. I'm really hyped about it. So right now, this is going for $100 on Amazon. I put the link down in the description below so you guys can click that, see the current price, see other people's reviews. But I think it's a fairly new product. There's not much reviews on it, but I know all their other products, like the little small portable, you know, speaker computer looking thing, all those stuff, they're like really popular. So I'm really hyped to try this bag out. So we're just gonna pop it open real quick. Nice little bag. Nice little faux leather. There we go. Ooh, Let's get the little strap. Gotta free the strap. There we go, got the strap free, as you can see. Clip it on, rock it like this. Oh, bam. Can charge up in here. USB. There goes your cord to charge up. So this bag is supposed to be IPX23. I put the waterproofness right here. So basically it's going to protect against rain and stuff, even with the LED. Now, when I open up the first slot, you can see you got the little wiring in here. And this is where you'll connect your power bank to get the LED going, I'm guessing. Charge that up. Drop the power bank in there. Boom. Now we got something going. So you get your power bank in there and then it turns on, you get a little something going on right there up in the front. Let me see it. Oh, that's tight. Rock this bad boy. Let me rock this real quick. Like, look at this bag. He got a dog on it, dog. That's crazy. He's styling. So then you have it like that. And of course we'll zip that part up so that power brick won't fall out. There's a lot of tape and stuff I still have on here, but we're not even tripping. Now we're gonna open up the bigger part, see how much room we got. We have paperwork, we have more paperwork, and there we go. So this is what the inside looks like. Now you have a little netting area right here where you can put some real important stuff you don't want to, you know, fall out. You can zip it up in there. Then you have little slots right here, what I'm filling. And it's pretty spacious. Let me put my phone in there. Got the phone in there, and you still got a lot of room, even with the phone in there. Akonics will probably use this as her like vlogging bag. Akonics handed me a switch. She wants to see if a switch would fit in there. And yep, we got the switch in there, no problem. Still can fit a whole bunch of stuff. You can put your Switch games all right here and you're good to go. And also you got another in the back. So you got another compartment back here. You can have it back there, you know, close to your body, which is good. So if you want to put your important stuff in here, you know, your phone, your wallet or anything, this is gonna be the part that's against your body. So that's a good thing that they got one right there. So when you're rocking it, you know, that part, you ain't getting that. I'm gonna feel your hand up in here. You trying to steal my stuff. I'm gonna feel your hand up in here, boy. You ain't gonna just coming up in here. So that's a good thing. You got the compartment right against the body for all that important stuff. All right, let's see what we can do with this thing. They have an app for this. I downloaded the app. It's on the box. So you just take your phone, and I wonder if I could do a custom one. So I'll get back to you if I do it. I just want to say the material feels really good. I like it. I think it feels nice. It doesn't feel too heavy, even with the LED screen and my power brick in there. I like what they did with this. This is really nice. All right, you might be saying, Rod, your bag looks ripped. It's ripped right there. It's not. This is a little reflective sticker. So if you're out there in the dark and the light hits it, it'll reflect so people know like you're out there and you're out and about. So that's pretty much what it's for. It's not ripped right there. It's just so people know like there's someone out there and there's a little reflective sticker. If you're wearing all black and you're wearing this bag, if they can't see the LED, they'll still see that sticker. So you should be good. I think this thing is gonna get popular, especially if you can customize your own stuff, which I think you can. We're gonna do it right now. But I think this is gonna be a popular bag for people that wanna have their own designs. All right, so I'm in the app right now. You can have the time on there and you can do it in different ways. You guys can see, I'm just seeing what I see in the app. There's different styles. You can switch the box to the colors and all that. Whatever you want to do. Now, the thing I want to do is something custom. Now, I got to find that. And I don't know how to. But let's see. Is there a smiley face? Is there a heart? Is that a kissy face? And custom. All right, we found custom. Now people made different customs. As you can see, there's ones that are already pre-made on there. When you click custom, they got some pre-made ones. I'm gonna just click them. So right now it should say game over. After you do it, you just find it, and there's a whole bunch of different ones. They got characters, festival, a whole bunch of stuff on here actually. I'm gonna look through and find another one. Ooh, oddish. Let's upload to device. When you select all your whatever ones you want, they rotate through seconds. So there's 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes of how long this will be up there. So right now I have a custom oddish, a game over one. Here are some other ones I'm adding. Find some anime ones. Those are the different designs that you can do on there, and you could probably make your own. I don't know how, but there is a way to make your own in there as well. And you get 3 different rows of 3, 6, 9, 12, 14. So you get 36 custom that you want to have on here on your little fanny pack, and you can just rock this thing, sling bag, fanny pack, however you want to do it. So this thing is pretty cool, man. I like this. I know Akonics gonna be taking this, so I like it right now. Well, I enjoy what I have. So this thing is pretty big. You could probably fit 2 switches in here, honestly. Apparently you could fit a tablet as well in here. We got 1 switch. We got Akonics switch. There we go. You could fit 2 switches in here. You could probably fit a tablet in here, no problem. All right, buds. That kind of keeps bringing me stuff to put in my bag. Put my phone in there. I'm gonna put my mouse in there. I put my Funko Pop in there. I put Naruto in there. All right. All right, buds. So there you have it. That's everything that you can do with this little sling bag. It is waterproof, basically rainproof. It handles spills, all that, no problem. The weight, not too heavy, even with this little LED in front of it. You're gonna need the power brick as well, so make sure you buy you one. It's probably like 20 bucks. I'll put a link down in the description below for a power brick. I have a good one I use at work, not this one that charges almost all day. So you'll get one of those and you're good to go. And if you guys like this video and like the little designs, my little oddish on my bag, leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. You guys are helping my channel grow, and it means a lot to me. And to everyone out there watching, everyone, please be safe. I'll see all of you in my next video. My name is Rodney. This was Wanna Buy It. Peace.